What if I told you the streaming giant that swore it would never make mega deals just made the biggest one in history? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover why Netflix is risking everything on a $72 billion gamble and how a hostile takeover attempt could change what you watch forever. The story starts with a simple earnings report. But here's the twist. This isn't about quarterly numbers anymore. This is about a war for Hollywood's soul. Netflix will report its fourth quarter earnings after the bell on Tuesday. For years, these reports were steady. But last quarter, they missed estimates. And in early 2025, they stopped telling us how many subscribers they had when they said it was over 300 million globally. Instead, they've been focused on a new strategy, growing their advertising business. Wall Street wants to know about that ad business, about recent price hikes, and about the content pipeline. Analysts polled by LSEG expect earnings per share of 55 cents and revenue of $11.97 billion. But here's what nobody's talking about. This entire financial report is about to be completely overshadowed. Meet the deal that shocked the world. In December, Netflix announced it had agreed to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery's streaming and film studio assets. The price? $27.75 per WBD share. An equity value of $72 billion. This was a seismic shift. For a company that has long stayed away from industry consolidation, this was a bolder swing to drive growth beyond its core. As one analyst said, Netflix touts itself as more builders than buyers, yet its actions say otherwise. And then something shocking happened. Since the announcement, Netflix's stock has fallen. Since October, when rumors first swirled, the company's stock dropped nearly 30%. But the drama was just beginning. Soon after Netflix announced its deal, Paramount Skydance launched a hostile effort to buy all of Warner Bros. Discovery. Think of it like a corporate version of Game of Thrones, playing out in real time. As Paramount's pressure ramped up, Netflix this week amended its offer. It's now an all-cash deal. But here's the part that will blow your mind. There's a massive question hanging over this entire fight. Will Netflix's acquisition even get the necessary regulatory approval? In the current climate, with a Trump administration in the White House since January 2025, the rules of the game are being rewritten. This isn't just about streaming. It's about who controls the stories we tell. 2026 will be a defining year for Netflix. If the Warner Bros. Deal actually happens, it will reposition a newly beefed up Netflix, not just within the streaming market, but across the entertainment industry at large. But that fight is only the beginning. Expect lots more drama as the bidding war plays out this year. Some say this is smart business, a necessary move to dominate. Others say it's a reckless gamble that could break the company. But if Netflix doesn't win this war, who does? Do you think Netflix's $72 billion gamble will pay off, or is this the beginning of the end for the streaming king? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking business news that affects your world.